NFTs, that's right, NFTs, they are skyrocketing. But you don't have to be a crazy businessman or a famous artist. Today I'm going to show you how to create and sell your first NFT step by step using your smartphone. Before we get started, I want to say you guys that I am not a financial expert of any kind. I'm just learning about cryptocurrency and NFTs, so I am not here to give you any financial advice. In fact, I would recommend you to consult a financial advisor before making any investment. NFT stands for non-fungible token. There are different kinds of NFTs including tweets, sports highlights, plot of land and video games and many more. In this video we are going to focus on digital art. In this video I am not going to show you how to upload the NFTs on OpenSea or of those site. I'm just going to show you guys here how to make a NFT design. So let's get started. So we are going to use this application called pixellab. It is a free application and I will leave download link in description below. After downloading this application, open it. You should see an interface like this. It is very simple to use. Just follow my steps and you will see how to use and how to customize and how to be creative. Now first I will delete this text by clicking on delete icon. Now click on menu image size. Now I will set the width and height to 3500 pixels. Click OK. Now what I will do is, I will enable grid and enable snap to grid. Now click on this icon. And select shape tool. Now select the circle shape. Now I will import the color palettes. And I will place this over here. Now I will color this circle by going to color and enable it, and click on plus icon, and select color picker tool and select this color. Now I will duplicate this circle and place this over here. I will reduce its size around this much. And I will color it. Now duplicate this circle and resize it, and place it over here. Now go to text and I will type AQ. Place it in the center. Click on my font, select this font, it's called Toxico. You guys can find this font link in the description. And I will resize it and place it in the center. So we have done designing my NFT. So guys, our NFT is out for sale. If any one of you guys are interested in buying this NFT, I will provide link in description. You can just get lot of YouTube tutorial on OpenSea like how to mint NFTs and many more information. So that, if this video was helpful for you, then video required a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Editing. Bye, see you in next video.